The biggest milestone for me was seeing that 100,000 pounds of weight in those three structural members get installed correctly and flawlessly. I couldn't be more pleased with our group.
Today is an exciting day, watching the building come together with all of the steel work and metal work.
I'm Paul from A-1 Machine and Welding. I'm the operations manager here. The Greater Vernon Cultural Centre came into orbit spring of last year. We tendered against it and we were a successful proponent.
The Regional District is undertaking this exciting Greater Vernon Cultural Centre construction project in partnership with the Vernon Public Art Gallery, the Greater Vernon Museum and Archives, and the broader Greater Vernon community.
We started pre-construction detailing back in the summer of 25. A1 has had a long history of working with RJC. They've been wonderful to deal with generally across the board on all of our projects. Reverie is a new for us, and Bronson and his team have been outstanding to work with. The architectural features in this project were unique, and we were able to meet, collaborate, and resolve. And right now, currently, the project is nearing the 90% benchmark there as far as completion. Milestone was literally the completion of grid lines 5 to 9, and that's the structure area there where you see all the internal stairs, the high theater roof, and the catwalk there. At that point, the project was 50% complete. We spend a fair amount of time concluding in Tekla structures, all of our parameters within that building. So we handled it good at a high level, but yeah, when we executed on site, I was quite pleased with our technologies, and I couldn't be more happier on how that went yesterday.
There's been a lot of incredible milestones on this project, such as the catwalks, the big giant box trusses that have been put into place yesterday. We have 75-foot trusses that are on grid line A and G that run to connect the high steel here. So yesterday we went ahead, we installed this big box truss and the 2 columns to get the high steel in place. And that went very well. We had a 100-ton crane on site and a 75-ton crane in a supporting role. The catwalks, which was a first for me, which was very challenging, but we were successful in installation there.
A1 has done several marquee projects with Sawchuck, one of them recently being the Pleasant Valley Secondary School Gym Addition. That was a significant project for us both. And collaborating with Sawchuck over the years, they've always been wonderful to deal with. We're core designated amongst all our installation crews. We're an ISO 9001 compliant company. We're currently certified in that regard. We invested heavily in technology, and that's essentially 3D renderings of your building, where I can twist it around, turn it upside down. I can get a measurement for you in seconds. Our engineering team, along with my qualified engineers in project management, will deliver a quality product that fits every time. Our specialty is institutional projects. We primarily do schools and hospitals. And to kind of cap it all off, our last industrial build was Rio Tinto in Kitimat there. And the wharf expansion in that project was worth $800 million. So we can offer diverse skill, and quality is always going to be second to none. Hence the moniker behind our name being A1. We hit it all the time.
So here at T1, working at the site, we have a great group of guys who are all from different backgrounds, all safety oriented. It's been great working with them. If you need help, you got help. I love coming to work every day because it's always something new. It's always something exciting. Working with a great crew of pushing boundaries of what I can and learning of what I can do.
We've hit a marquee project in the Vernon area here. It'll be a staple of our community for the next 20 years. And to drive by that, and my grandson frequently says, I'm playing hockey in this arena, but you built it, didn't you? And he calls me Bubba. And I say, of course I did. And it's a sense of pride and accomplishment that is the reason why I put up with all the stuff behind the scenes that creates all this white in my hair. The group that has represented us in all aspects, A-1, T1 and steel installers and Sawchuck, the group in general has pulled off this project successfully. I couldn't be more pleased and more happy with the group effort. And I couldn't be happier. And I'd absolutely love to engage in buildings like this with those fine group of companies again.